please, please, please. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Woo-wee. She sounded good. Yes, sir. Booty action.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
What's happening, family? Tony the Quiet Storm coming to you with another video. Hope everybody had a great week. I know it's been a long week for some people, including myself, but we made it. It's Friday. We made it. Get 2 days to chill out, rest up, do whatever you need to do, and get back to it on Monday. But check this out. So y'all remember the no unboxing video that I made, because I was supposed to get a package, but then they said it had to be pushed back because it's on back order. Well, check this out. I got my package. Yeah. Yes, sir. Got the package. So let's see what's in it. Well, actually, I know what's in it. Show y'all what's in it. Get this package slip out the way. Open this bad boy up. I ain't gonna show y'all that. Ooh wee! Ooh wee! Guess what I got? Yes, sir. 5-inch tips, baby. Yes, sir. 5-inch tips. From Carbon, that's all. Shout out to y'all. Appreciate y'all getting it to me. But yeah, gotta put these bad boys on now. Yes, sir. Gonna really be sound a little bit different. Maybe not a lot of different, but hey, we gonna see how I sound with these 5-inch tips on there. But yeah, this what we got. This what we got today. Still told y'all I had some stuff coming. But I guess y'all didn't believe me. Finally, yes sir. Said he gonna be harder. These on there. These bad mojos right here. Yes sir. Got the 5-inch tips, baby. Some of y'all like, what the heck is some 5-inch tips? Well, 5 inches all the way around. 5-inch tips. But I can't wait to install these things, man. But yeah, just a short video to show y'all what I got today. Since this actually is an unboxing video, since I got my stuff now. But yeah, they gonna look awesome on Sadie. I can't wait to install them, which is coming soon. So stay tuned. But other than that, man, I don't have too much. Hope you all enjoy your weekend. Stay safe out there. And just appreciate you rocking with me. Appreciate you tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button on this video. Share this video with your friends and family. And also leave a comment. You know, if you like what you see, leave me a comment. Let me know what's up. Let me know y'all watching. Let me know, hey, I'm doing good, I'm doing bad, whatever. Let me know what you want to see. You know, or anything. Just say hey. But appreciate y'all watching, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and make sure you hit that notification bell as well. So whenever I have new stuff new videos posted, y'all will get that notification to let you know. So appreciate y'all tuning in for this short little video. I can't wait to install these things, and we're gonna keep moving up in 2021. So on that note, God made all things possible. Nothing's impossible. Just continue to have faith in Him, believe in Him, and trust Him. Believe in yourself, trust yourself, have faith in yourself, and everything will fall into place. So on that note, to the next video, I'll let y'all later.